Light Mag. 4.2 earthquake, South Pacific Ocean, New Zealand, on Monday, March 27, 2023 at 7:24 p.m. local time, according to the Earthquake Commission and Geological Survey, New Zealand reported. Updated, March 27, 2023 7:36 Greenwich Mean Time 39 seconds ago. I felt this quake. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Quake data, interactive map, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in New Zealand. Light magnitude 4.2 earthquake at 173 kilometers depth.